This video is to show how you can now give voice comments back to your students or whomever you're working with in Google Slides, which used to be a feature just for Google Docs. So what I'm going to do, I'm in my document right now just in Drive, but I'm going to go back to my Drive and I need to add the Kaizen app to my Drive so that I can open my presentation through the voice comments program. So I'm going to come over here and go to create, and I don't have the app connected right now, so I'm going to click connect more apps. And I'm going to search Kaizen. And there it is, voice comments. You could search voice comments as well. And I don't want this to be my default because I don't use it every time. And so now I found my document and I checked the box and I'm going to click more. I want to open this with the voice comment program. So now it looks a little different. And if this is the first time you've connected the app, you will probably have to authorize it and it'll give you a quick tutorial. This is not my first time, so those things didn't pop up. But here I can see my slides. Let's say I come through and I want to give feedback on this part of the slide. So I can just drag my mouse and let's say I could do a written comment, I can link, but I want to do the voice comments, the beauty of this program. So if I click this, I can record my voice and give feedback to this student or whomever I'm working with. So it seems as if the video introduces the conflict at about 58 seconds, so it might be useful to your audience to make a note that that's where the value of this video begins. So this is where I want to choose which account I'm using, and I want to accept or authorize. And now I can see, oh, I have to do it again. Sorry about that. So I would go ahead and give my feedback again. It records my voice. I can go ahead and stop. And now over on the sidebar this will pop up. And so I can listen back to my feedback. Go ahead and give my feedback again. It records my voice. Okay. And I can X out of what the sidebar does. And then what's really nice is I can post a link in my Google Doc once I've given that feedback. So if I post a link in my Google Doc or my slide document, if I'm a student and I come in and check this, all I have to do, I'm refreshing it so that it definitely updates. All I have to do is come into the document and come over to the comments section, and I can see that I've been notified that somebody has left me voice comments. And so I can be taken directly to those comments there. So that's how you use voice comments in Google Slides.